Hello friends, it's Becky Bridgham and happy spring. Our spring catalog is live. I've been posting a few pictures, some teasers about our hostess rewards, and I don't have a ton of the spring products, but I wanted to come and show you a comparison of one of our classic 31 styles, our zip top utility tote, and one of our brand new styles, which is called the Everyday Essential Tote. Now, if you love this bag has been around since I became a consultant and way before, so that's a long time. It started out as an organizing utility tote, and it was just an open top. And then a few years ago, they added on to this zip top option, right? So it's this nice little handy tote bag. It's got all of these pockets on the outside. This is a great diaper bag. It's a great teacher bag. I actually use this for all my cleaning supplies. So when I clean my house, I have all my cleaning supplies with me wherever I go. It's 31 classic. It has been around forever. It's a great gift because it's personalizable. So a lot of people love this 31 tote. A lot of people have had one for years and years. But I wanted to show, and this is still a great tote. We still have this available in a number of colors, like 5 or 6 colors. So this is classic, right? This is not going away. But I wanted to show you a comparison of one of our new products that's called that Everyday Essential Tote. And why these two are being compared is because this bag is like this bag with all the pockets on the inside. And I will tell you, my only complaint with this bag when I used to carry it like around, I used to carry it when I was volunteering at school, is if it ever tipped over, all my stuff would fall out of my pockets. And like, it wasn't a huge deal, but sometimes you'd have it on the front seat, you have to stop quick, the thing dumps, and you're like, oh, I gotta put it all inside. So still a great bag, but that was my only complaint in this bag, is that all the pockets are on the outside. It does have a lot of pockets. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pockets. So it's really great organizing tote. That's what it's called, zip top organizing tote. But all the pockets are on the outside, right? So notate that. The cool thing about this Everyday Essential Tote is that all the pockets are on the inside. Okay, so it's the same general shape. It's a little bit bigger in the sense that I could probably fit this inside of this. It's just smaller, like it's almost like a nesting doll. I could probably get this inside, but it's still around that same size. It's not a whole lot bigger, not a whole lot smaller. But the cool thing is, let me show you, all these pockets are on the inside. So it still has the 2 mesh pockets on the sides, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a total of 8 pockets on the inside of this tote, and then it also has a pocket on the outside. So for, whatever you're gonna keep handy. No pockets on the outside besides this one that Velcros. They're both personalizable, but also this one does not have a zip top. So that's kind of the comparison. This one, all the pockets on the outside, but it has a zip top. This one, all the pockets on the inside, no zip top. And this one's just it's bigger. I can even get you the dimensions, but I'll show you. This one will fit right inside here. So if you're gonna look to compare, they are close. It's almost like our large utility tote, deluxe utility tote comparison, where one is just like that neck size up, but they're still both pretty useful for similar things. So the zip top organizing tote versus the Everyday Essential. This is one of our new spring products. So I wanted to show you guys. It's in this new print. This one is called Patchwork Stripe. It's also in the soft camo, the patterned dot trio, which is like a navy with like a fun dot, and then the charcoal. So this one comes in 4 colors. This one's $48 and this one is $38. So both similar in price, but just a little bit different. So I wanted to show you, I don't have a lot of spring products, but this is one of the ones that I have. I wanted to give you a quick comparison for what you could use it for. Again, great teacher bag, diaper bag, travel bag. I would use it to volunteer. You could also use this one to put all your cleaning supplies in, because you can then keep all your chemicals and brushes and towels and stuff in here. But I'm like, this is too pretty to put all my cleaning supplies in. Maybe in 6 months I'll get one for free and put something fun on the outside, like, Cinderella lives here, right? So let me know what you think about this one, and which one do you think you would use more. This one again, it says classic. This one is brand new, and we kind of always are drawn to the new style. But again, super useful, super cute, personalizable. Both of the new spring catalog. If you haven't signed up to host yet, let me know, because I have spots in April. Like, I'm pretty much maxed out for March because I want to make sure that all my hostesses have great parties. They all get freebies, and so I'm pretty tapped for March. But April, I have openings. If you do want to host, let me know so you can get some of these for free. I did share some of the free exclusives that we have this season. We have a rolling cooler. We have this really, I don't have them, but we have this cool like toiletry bag that unrolls and has all these pockets, pouches, and then it rolls up. That's the one that I think I'm going to try to get first. And then we also have, let me get to that page. We have a cool backpack, kind of like our high street backpack, but a little bit elevated, and it also comes with a laptop sleeve. That's something I get questions for all the time. Do we have a laptop sleeve? We don't have one individually, but we do have one for the insider, and then a cube special if you need to get some organization done. So let me know what you think of this bag, what you would use it for. And again, if you haven't signed up for host, you should. Just do it this spring. If you see more than one thing that you want out of this catalog, sign up as a hostess and I'll get it for you for free. So I will talk to y'all soon and have a great day.